It's a really big hole.
You got your wellies on?
We drove from our hotel on the beach to Jomblang Cave, arriving at 8:30 a.m. We were assigned group 12. While waiting, we had coffee, picked up our helmets, harnesses, and our welly boots. Jomblang Cave is actually a series of sinkholes connected by underground tubes. It was a long wait to be lowered down. There were 11 groups ahead of us, and it took a long time for all the safety equipment to get set up, which was totally okay with us. It's really deep.
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
Hang?
Please. Yeah. The camera.
Oh God! My balls!
Oh my god!
Oh my balls! The harness! Oh sweet
It's
Lord!
a little cratchy.
It's so bad! My balls! Oh, the balls!
You want me to hold it?
Oh balls!
You want me to hold it?
Oh my balls! Oh my balls! Hello? Stand up.
That was fun. Sean got crushed.
Sucks.
The temperature just plummeted down here. Take your filter off.
Slippy.
One like here, sir. Yeah.
Beautiful. Like it's the dry season right now and it's still just muddy and slippy.
Yeah. Well, it's rained the last few nights. Oh yeah.
So it took us a while to get down here. You have to wait for a lot of people to go. It took us about an hour and a half once we lined up, which sucks, but well worth the wait. Super pretty, much nicer down here than up there. And now we're gonna go walk around the cave. We're gonna stomp around the cave.
That sunlight on our faces, darkness behind us.
Yeah, it gets a little gooshy. She fell again?
Oh god.
You can do it.
I think I'm gonna slip right here. Oh.
Oh my god.
So hot.
It's like a waterfall of sunshine.
This is wild.
This cave is unbelievable. I get why everyone wants to come see this. Absolutely surreal. The light, the size of the sinkhole. We're in a different sinkhole than the one we came down in the rappelling. I thought they were the same. It's an insanely huge network of just timeless, eerie beauty. I sound like an idiot because I'm in a beautiful cave. Lainey.
Jerune.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, not.
Yeah.
Woo!
Doesn't hurt my balls as much.
Hey, this doesn't feel as secure as the going down. Right?
Mud boots. We're coming up from the Jomblang Cave.
Jomblang Cave, we're being hauled up. Hey, wait, let's take a selfie. Hey, Sean. Also, here's our feet. There's the ground. How about a selfie upwards? Wow.
So great.
Oh look, we have our dominant hands free. Oof.
Don't wiggle.
Oh God.
Please don't wiggle. Coming out of the sinkhole. Ooh, this is high.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Not
That rock looks like it's totally gonna fall soon. Sooner than later.
Yeah.
Oh!
Stand up. Hold the ball. No, you can go.
All right.
That was much scarier coming up than going down. You just like, you feel the bouncing, you see your feet rising.
Holy crap. Oh, sorry. Get them all dirty. That's literally how you get up.
Oh my god!